give it a few strips like this, pause, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, pause. There we go, that's a big one. And the first bass, small one. Here we go, first small largemouth bass on the fly. Very nice little guy. And off he goes. Oh, I have another one. I think he might have let go. He did. Goodness. Okay, so it's not bad here. Let's cast it straight back that direction. Nice long casts along the shore. It's the best for bass for now. I'm not sure if you can see, but the water is super clear. And it drops off quite fast here, so it's usually pretty good for bass. There we go, got one. This one's roughly the same size. Hoppa. And up we come. Oh, there was a really big one behind him. Oh, let's unhook him really fast. Okay, nice one. There was a nice decent one right behind him. I'm gonna cast this again. See if that bigger one will maybe bite it. Would be nice, because that one would fight really nice on the fly. Let it sink a little bit, and we can start stripping it. Give it a few strips like this, pause, 1, 2, pause, 1, 2, pause. There we go, that's a big one. There we go. I saw him eating everything. This one's quite nice. Whoa, this one's really quite nice. Oh, and he's fighting fantastic on the fly rod. Ooh, this was really nice. Okay, stay down. Oh, my fingers are slipping. Stay down, stay down, stay down. There we go. We pull him this way again. Oh, look at that. Oh, yes. This one's the one I saw just behind the other one. And the other way. Oh, I see him. Whoa. Very nice. Stay down, stay down, stay down, stay down, stay down. Whoa. I don't know if you saw that, but that was a nice one. Another way. Oh, he's coming back up. No, he's not. There's a really nice fight on the fly rod. Although he's not a massive one, on the fly rod he's quite nice. He's really nice. Let's see if we can get him landed. There we go. What a fish, what a fish, what a fish. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, I'm very happy with that. That is fantastic. Look at this beauty. I don't know, about 500 grams. He destroyed the fly. Look at that. Off he comes. There we go. Gonna get a nice underwater release for this guy. Oh man, that was such a fantastic fish. Caught him. Oh, I'm sure you guys saw it already. Caught the little one. As I was fighting the little one, I saw the bigger one come right behind the small one. I quickly released the small one, and now next cast I caught the exact same one I saw. And what we're throwing is a little green golden streamer, I guess, I'm not really sure, with a little red head and a lead, so it sinks a little bit. And this thing works really well here. These little green colors usually work very, very well at this dam. So let's carry on. Hopefully we catch another nice big one. Oh, a little one came and attacked it out of nowhere. See if we can get him back. There we go. He came straight back. This one's very small. Just gonna lift him out. There we go. Very feisty little fish here, especially this time. Opa, there we go. Oh, he's got a little scar close to his tail. Okay, off he goes. Oh, gone. Another small one. He came from that lay down that's in the water over there. Oh, this one's a bit fat. There we go. Beauty little guy. There we go. Oh wow, that's a lot higher than I thought. Ah la 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 la, that was so... I got a thorn in my foot. Look at that beast. Yeah, no. Ew. That's another thorn in the... Oh, glad I didn't fully step on that because that would have been disgustingly sore. Look at that. Oh, I thought I had one, but I didn't. Now I do. Small one. Oh, this is probably the smallest of the day. Very pretty one though. Opa. Look at these colors. Yellow fins. He's a bit injured at the bottom there. Nothing he can't recover from. Off he goes. Oh, I have one. I got a fish. See, this is the walking and moving the whole time. This is what I meant. Oh, you couldn't have come at a better time, friend. Another one. Here he goes. I got another one. My goodness. This one feels a bit bigger. Fighting really hard. Okay, come on. Let's go. Oh, another one. Barely hooked. Lovely. Off he goes. Lovely cast, nice distance. Let it sink and we wait for the fish to bite. Okay. I feel it, there's gonna be a bite here. Come on, don't let me be wrong. Oh, go on. Haha, I knew it. Small one. Opa. Got one. Nice little guy. Okay, release himself. Again, small. Cheers. Another one. Off he goes. Alright, here we go, round 2. Now I'm using this. It's a Texas rig with a fluke, gold, red and black sparkles inside. I know that from Bach the golden flakes are quite important. They work really well, that's what I'm trying to say. So we will use that. I have a bite. Oh, did he let go? No, he's still there. There we go, fish on. I don't think he's that big, to be honest. Oh, fish next to me. Oh, he's coming up. Yeah, he's pretty small. Oh, actually he's not that bad. Oh wow, he's pulling hard now, huh? The reason it's dragging so much is this line is super thin. So I'm playing him super light. Oh, come on, come on, come on, you need to lift your head up. Come on, buddy. You need to lift your head up. I don't want him to scrape against the rocks because that will break my line. Come on. Come on, that's why I'm also keeping my rod nice and high. There we go, now I see him again. Ooh, I felt the rock there. That's exactly what I don't want. Oh, and he's stuck in a rock. Come on, buddy. Can't be doing such things. There we go. It's a very fat, juicy little guy. I thought he was a lot smaller than this, but I'm happy to be unpleased. Look at that. Very nice. The fluke hanging out of his mouth. He's about 600-700 grams, I think. Boy, look at that. Pops out, no problem. Pretty little guy. Very nice. There we go. Slow release, there we go. Lovely, thank you very much. And that's one. I caught 2 similar to that size earlier at lunch. So happy with that. Very happy with that.